Hi, I'm Saki. So I'm going to show you a really cool trick to convert this mask with head ties into a mask with ear ties. Alright, imagine this. You're out on a 5 a.m. stroll, ain't nobody around, and all of a sudden you turn a corner and BAM! There's a person there! All you have is this cloth mask with ties, and it's gonna take you like 20 seconds to tie it up. Oh god, they're coming! I'm gonna catch coronavirus. Okay, it's on. Do not panic. Let me show you a little trick to help you get your mask on sooner. It's really easy. Just take those two strands, you probably figured this out already, and just tie them together into a knot. Just like that. Alright. And then same thing on the other side. Try it on, see if it fits. Okay. Ta-da! Now you got these pigtails, which are fine actually, but I'll show you something cool you can do with those pigtails. So check this out. Take those pigtails, tie them into another knot, all together. Alright, now you have a necklace. It's there for quick access, just like a zipper fly. That took like half a second. It takes people like 3 times as long to put on a condom. No excuses. Wear protection.